How to use paddles on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video presentation, I'll teach you on how to use the paddles on your Nintendo Switch for the Fortnite. It's a really quick and an easy process, so follow along. Using paddles on the Nintendo Switch depends on your controller. For example, Power A offers controllers with the back paddles like the Fusion Pro wireless gamepad for the Nintendo Switch. There are other compatible models, but I'll focus on the Power A controller in this video. If you have a different controller model with the back paddles and the method, the thing I'm going to describe will not work, so search for the specific instructions for your controller. This process isn't in the game, it's on your controller. With the Power A Fusion Pro wireless controller or a similar one with the game paddles, press and hold the program button on the back for 2 to 3 seconds. The program LED will flash, indicating the assignment mode. After holding the button and seeing the LED blink, press the standard button A, B, X, Y, L, R, Z, L, and Z, R on the D-pad to reassign. Press the gaming button again to confirm the assignment, and the LED should stop flashing. Repeat this for each of the 4 paddles, and you can change assignments anytime and reset by holding the program button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes. So this is basically on how to use paddles on the Nintendo Switch Fortnite. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.